Remember the days of staring blankly at textbooks, trying to make sense of complex concepts while battling the urge to nap? Well, those days might be numbered, thanks to augmented reality. AR is stepping up to the plate, transforming the learning and training experience in ways that make even the most intricate subjects more digestible and, dare we say it, fun. What is AR anyway? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's break down what AR actually is. Imagine you're looking at your phone or through smart glasses and, instead of just seeing the real world, you see the real world plus some digital enhancements. These enhancements could be anything from text and images to 3D models and interactive animations. It's like Photoshop, but in real life. Cool, right? Augmented reality in education. Learning on steroids. Anatomy class without the smell. Remember dissecting frogs in biology class? Yay! We've tried to forget that too. With AR, students can now explore the human body in 3D without the need for formaldehyde. It's like Human Anatomy Atlas allows students to view and interact with realistic 3D models of the human body, making it easier to understand how everything fits together. Plus, it's far less gross. History comes to life. History used to be all about dates and facts, which can be as dry as a stale cracker. But AR can bring history to life. Imagine pointing your phone at a historical site and seeing a reenactment of events that took place there. Apps like Time Looper let you do just that. It's like having a time machine in your pocket, minus the risk of accidentally erasing yourself from existence. Math from abstract to awesome. For many, math is the academic equivalent of walking through a minefield blindfolded. AR can change that from turning abstract concepts into visual interactive experiences. Apps like GeoGebra AR allow students to explore geometric shapes in 3D, making it easier to understand spatial relationships and properties. Who knew math could be so visual? AR in training. The future is now. Medical training with less blood. Training to be a surgeon is tough. One wrong move and you're in big trouble. AR provides a safe environment for medical students to practice without the risk. Platforms like HoloLens offer simulations where students can practice procedures on virtual patients. It's like a video game, but with a lot more at stake. Manufacturing. Practice makes perfect. In the manufacturing industry, precision is key. AR can help workers learn how to operate complex machinery through interactive 3D models and step-by-step guides. This means less time spent on training and fewer mistakes on the job. It's a win-win, unless you're a big fan of reading lengthy instruction manuals. Aviation, because you can't just wing it. Pilots need extensive training and flight simulators have been around for years. But AR takes it to the next level. With AR, pilots can practice emergency procedures and maintenance tasks in a highly realistic environment. Apps like Aeroglass provide real-time information overlay, enhancing situational awareness. Yes, it's probably the closest you'll get to feeling like Iron Man. Why AR rocks? AR doesn't just make learning and training more engaging, it makes them more effective. By providing a hands-on, interactive experience, augmented reality helps users retain information better and understand complex concepts more easily. Plus, it's just plain cool. Whether you're a student trying to ace your exams or a professional looking to upskill, AR has something to offer. A future full of possibilities. The use of AR in education and training is just getting started. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative applications that will make learning and training not just more effective, but more enjoyable. So next time you find yourself struggling with a tough concept or new skill, just remember, there might be an app for that. And who knows, maybe one day we'll all have our own AR tutors, ready to help us learn anything, anytime, anywhere. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep your eyes peeled for the latest AR innovations. Because in the world of augmented reality, seeing really is believing. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.